Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you aided pistols. So aided pistol squats with the Hinge Gym and a band. I'm using the purple band, which is the second highest out of four band set that I have. And it's kind of the inverse of a resistance. It's actually the resistance is going to aid you for the exercise. So one-legged pistol squats. So we're exhaling on the way up. One leg out, down. One, two, one more, and three. So that is the aided pistol squats with the Hinge Gym and a band. Thank you.